Welcome to DBA Master. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Oracle 19c in Oracle Linux 8.10. First, we need to download the Oracle 19c database. So, go to Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. Click to sign in. If you don't have an account, create a new account. Verify the OTP. Type Oracle 19c. So click Oracle Database 19c Database Edition. So click to the first one, Oracle Database 19c Database Edition 19.18. Once click the link, go to View Items, verify the database version and to continue and choose the next 864-bit. And so currently I need only database. Suppose if you need Oracle database and client, just choose the both and click to continue and tick the agreement, accept the agreement, click to continue and choose the first one. This is for Oracle database 19c. So I need only this. So just click, it's automatically download. Once downloaded the Oracle database 19c, log in the server, verify the IP, verify the SE Linux value. Set SE Linux set to permissive and verify the firewall status. Next, move to the local machine to Linux machine. Use WinSCP. So I have already moved from to the dump. This is the file. So the Oracle database installation, first need to install some prerequisite. So we have two prerequisite methods, one for automatic setup, another one for manual setup. So in this video I will follow manual setup. So first we need to add the kernel parameter. So open the sysctl.conf file. And paste the all parameters and values and save the file. Once save the file, so set the current value. Use this command and add the below link for pre-install this file, pre-installed 19c.config file. Save the file and run the below commands because we need to install the required packages. Once downloaded and installed all packages, next we need to create users and group. And next we need to set Oracle password. Next we need to create some directories. So U01 is a Oracle software directory, E02 is a database directory. So login Oracle user and create page profile. So change your IP. So go to the root user. This is the Oracle Database 19C installation file. So unzip and restore to Oracle location, home location. So change the permission and login Oracle user and run the page profile. Go to Oracle home and unzip the file. Next, run the run installer file, but we have two options, one for GUI mode, another one for silent mode. Copy and paste this command, it's automatically installed the Oracle database. Now I am choosing GUI mode, so close the putty, open new one and load the IP and choose X11 and enable X11 forwarding and click to open. And before confirm Xmin, just we need to open the Xmin application. Xhost plus su-oracle. Run the page profile, export, display, and run the current version is Oracle 8. Next, we need to run the export command because this is Oracle 8.10. So next, you go to the Oracle home and run /run installer. So here get some receive. So export. In this case, first we need to enable the xming. Please check this is showing or not. And next we need to open the putty. You just click enable the x11 forwarding. And next you log in the root user, give xhost, and log in the Oracle user, run the page profile and export the display. After you run the export some 8.10 OS. After we need to log in the Oracle. So go to the Oracle home directory, run the /run installer file, but we got the some error. So first we need to some verify. So you verify the xauth and xtpy info path and echo the display. And next you try to xclog. It's not open the guy mode. So verify the xtpy info head. So it's some no authorization provided. So exit the Oracle user, log in to root user. So just echo the display and try to and run the xtpy info head. So it shows some information in root user, but the Oracle user it not shows the any information. So we need to copy and create the some directories. And next we need to log in the Oracle user and export the display, and you check xtpd info head. It shows the some information in Oracle user. And next you go to the Oracle home and export the and run the Oracle export test it for and run the run installer. So choose the first one, create and configure a single instance database. Click to next and choose server class. Choose next and choose enterprise edition. Click next, and it's a Oracle base directory. It's a default directory. So click to next. So it's a inventory directory. So click to next. So you choose the first one, general purpose and transaction processing. Click to next and untick the container database. So click to Oracle global database name is change the global one file. So click to next. And click to sample schemas. Select install sample schemas in the database. Click to next. So this is the file system. So suppose you need to change the raw data file. So close. So click raw data and select and click to next. So if you need the EM Oracle Enterprise Manager, so click to register. If you don't need, untick and click to next. If you need to enable the recovery area. If you don't need, untick and click to next and choose the same password for all accounts. And click to next and click to next. So it's configured later, so click to next. So click to install. Run the script in root user. Once installed the server, click to close. So check server running or not. Server is running. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to get regular DB activities videos, tips and real world database administration tutorials.